Hey there, welcome back to English with an Espresso, where we break down one powerful word every day to help you speak more naturally, confidently, and fluently in English. Today's word is frantic. It is one of those words that sounds kind of dramatic, right? But it is actually really useful, especially when you are talking about stressful situations, which, let's be honest, come up a lot in both life and IELTS. So, what does frantic really mean? If you are frantic, you are not just busy, you are stressed, overwhelmed, maybe even a bit panicked. Think of moments when you are rushing, searching, or trying to do 10 things at once. That's not calm, that's frantic. And yeah, I had those days. Just last week, I overslept before an appointment. I couldn't find my phone, my keys disappeared, and I spilled coffee on my shirt, all within like 5 minutes. That's morning. Total frantic. Let's look at how you can use it in IELTS. In IELTS speaking part 1, when you get a question, do you enjoy your daily routine? You could say, most of the time, yes, but mornings can be frantic because I'm always in a rush to get to work. Simple but clear. In speaking part 2, describe a stressful situation you experience. You might say, I remember being frantic when I missed my train to an important meeting. I had to quickly figure out another way to get there, and I ended up taking a taxi through traffic. My heart was pounding the whole time. In part 3, why do people feel stress in their daily lives? You could say, people often feel frantic when they are trying to juggle too many responsibilities, especially in busy cities where time always feels short. See how this one word, frantic, adds emotion and detail to your story. It helps you show, not just tell, what you were going through. Here is your espresso tip of the day. Use emotional vocabulary like frantic when you describe experiences. It helps paint a picture in the examiner's mind and show you are confident using expressive words. Alright, your mini challenge today is think of a time you felt frantic. Maybe you lost your wallet, rushed to catch a flight, or forgot something important. Now, say one sentence out loud using the word frantic. Or better yet, write it down, say it again, and hear how natural it sounds. And that's your espresso shot of English for today. If this helped you, don't forget to follow or share it with someone else working on their IELTS fluency. Thanks for joining me on English with an Espresso. See you in the next one. Thank you.